Hey guys, what's up and welcome to my channel, and today is day 12 of the 25 days of Craftmas. We are nearing the halfway mark. I think 13 would be considered the exact halfway mark DIY because there will be 12 DIYs on each side of 13. Yeah, and now that I'm nearing the halfway mark, I'm just realizing how many projects and videos this really is. This is a lot, but that's okay. We're having fun. So with all of that being said, let's open bag 12 to find out what the heck I'm making today. I am really hoping this is a chill DIY today because I'm a bit sleepy. Whatever we're doing it. 3, 2, 1. Yes. This is the perfect DIY for today. Today I am making fabric trees. Technically, I did do this DIY last year. I did it for an Instagram video, but because it wasn't in any of my YouTube videos, I figured I could add it to the list. And also, I really like the way mine turned out. I also think they're cheap and cheerful, and I haven't seen anybody do these fabric trees like I make them, and I really like the way I make them. So I think I have everything I need to do this DIY since I did it last year. So let me grab my stuff and let's get started. Okay. I think I have everything I need. I do have to grab my drill and a drill bit, but I'll grab that when I need it. And the drill part is optional. So what I have here is some hot glue. I have computer paper. I've got cardboard paper. I have fabric. I have scissors. Oh, and I got, ow, just burned myself. Be nice hot glue gun. I have a pen. And then this part is optional. I have hot glue still stuck to me. I've got these little dowels and these little 2x4 pieces. So first up, I'm going to grab my computer paper. And do I want to fold this hot dog style or hamburger style? Let's do hot dog style to start. Let's make a nice, tall, big tree. Now I'm gonna take my pan. You can take a pencil, whatever you want, and I'm just going to draw out half a tree shape to make a little pattern for my tree. If you aren't confident in your tree shaping drawing abilities, I do know that they have usually some like templates of like tree shapes online that you can find. And if I remember correctly, you want to leave the bottom of your tree or your pattern kind of flat, but I can't remember. I'm gonna cut this out and then I'll be able to tell you what you're supposed to do. Ow, that hot glue really burned me. Ow. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Yeah, you do wanna leave it flat. That is correct. Specifically, if you aren't going to do the tree on a stand of any sort, like I'm going to, you definitely want to leave the bottom of the pattern flat, because that'll make it so that it can stand up when it's all done. Okay, so now I'm going to bring in some of my cardboard paper. I'm gonna get the second one out of the way. Got my cardboard paper, I've got my little tree pattern, and I'm going to trace and cut out 4 of these trees. Deck the halls with boughs of holly. Got them traced out. Now we have to cut them out. Coffee break. This is hard work, guys. I am doing hard work. I need a new Christmas song to sing. On the 5th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 5 fabric trees. Wait, no. On the 2nd day of Craftmas, my true love made for me 2 jar pin cushions and an advent calendar with all the DIYs. This is what I do when I DIY, guys. This is me a little loopy. We are gonna get this 25 days of Craftmas song going because I think I've got a hit on my hands. 7 gingerbread cardboard holders. This song sucks. Never mind. I'm giving up on it. I made it. I cut out all 4. Why did that take me so long? It actually didn't take me that long. It just felt like it took forever. Okay, let's clean up a little bit. Great, we're all cleaned up. So now I have to repeat that process of cutting out the trees, 4 of them, with the fabric. But there is a trick to making this look a little bit nicer. I am going to be tracing and cutting out the fabric trees to be slightly bigger than the pattern. This will make it so that the fabric covers up the cardboard in the end. Also, I forgot to mention, this particular project is a great scrap fabric project. This fabric I am using is scrap fabric from a chair that I reupholstered. We're done. We made it. Yay! Honestly, cutting out the 4 cardboard trees and then the 4 fabric trees is the longest and hardest part of this whole DIY. Now that all 8 trees are cut out, this is gonna be easy breezy, beautiful cover girl to put it together. Okay, now it is time to attach the 4 fabric trees to the 4 cardboard trees. And I think the easiest way to do this is to fold the cardboard tree in half. Now I'm going to take one of my fabric trees, fold it in half, and I'm gonna put some hot glue right in that crease of the cardboard tree. And take my folded fabric tree and stick it on that hot glue line. Okay, now I'm just going to add some more hot glue to get the edges stuck down. Now I've got one tree attached to the cardboard. I'm gonna repeat the process with the other 3 trees. I got 4 fabric trees. Now I'm gonna take 2 of them, since they're folded, and I am going to glue them together like that. Okay, and now I have 2 fabric trees, 2 pieces, and I am going to go ahead and glue these together. And if you aren't doing this next step, you can just go ahead and glue these together. But I'm going to be adding a little stand to this fabric tree to give it a little lift. So I'm gonna grab one of my dowels and I am going to glue this to the center of this piece. Now that that dowel is in place, I can glue the 2 sides together. That feels fairly stuck together. So before I go ahead and drill out a hole and put this on the stand, I am going to clean up the edges and glue the edges together so that it covers up the cardboard and just gives us a more polished and cleaner look. I am almost done with my first fabric tree. I think I'm gonna make like 3 of them to have a nice little set. But I went and grabbed my drill, got a drill bit, and I am just going to drill a hole somewhere roughly in the middle of this 2x4 piece. And now I'm just gonna finish this up by taking some hot glue. You could also use wood glue. I just used hot glue last time and it worked out great. And I should be able to just stick this in there. Look at that! Fabric tree number 1 is done. So I'm gonna go ahead and make 2 more that are different sizes and heights and out of some different fabric to create a cute little fabric tree set. And that is it, guys. I love these fabric trees so much. I made them last year, I made them this year, and I'm probably gonna make them again next year. I'm just starting a fabric tree collection. Also, the ones I made last year held up great in storage, so I just wanted to let you know they do hold up. So I hope you guys liked this video and project. As always, thanks so much for watching, and see you tomorrow for day 13 of the 25 days of Craftmas. Bye, guys.